In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund a GoDaddy domain. If you found yourself in a situation where you need to reverse your recent domain purchase or simply change your mind, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Whether you made an accidental purchase or decided that a particular domain isn't quite right for your needs, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. To kick off, it's crucial to start by reviewing the refund policy provided by GoDaddy. This can be easily accessed on their website, and it will give you a clear understanding of whether your domain purchase is eligible for a refund. This step is vital because some domain purchases may have certain restrictions or terms that could affect your refund eligibility. Once you have a firm grasp of these conditions and you've confirmed that you're eligible, we're ready to proceed. Next, you will need to delete the product or domain service for which you're requesting a refund. This step is necessary because GoDaddy requires the domain or service to be inactive before processing a refund request. Make sure you're confident in your decision to delete, as this action cannot be undone. You can find the option to delete your domain by logging into your GoDaddy account, navigating to the My Products section, and selecting the domain you wish to remove. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure the deletion process is completed. With the domain deleted, the final step is to reach out to GoDaddy's customer support, also known as their guides, to formally request your refund. You can contact them through various channels such as online chat, email, or by phone. When you reach out, be prepared to provide the necessary details such as your account information and the specific domain you've just deleted. The support team will review your request, and if everything aligns with their policy, they will proceed to process your refund. This step might take a few business days, depending on their workload and the method of payment you used. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to secure your refund for a GoDaddy domain. Remember, it's always a good idea to double check any domain purchase to ensure it fits your needs before finalizing. But if you do find yourself needing a refund, following these steps should help you navigate the process smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in resolving your domain refund needs. If you found this video useful, feel free to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this one.